volgende liedje heet Little Leprechaun. Een leprechaun is een Iers elfje. Dat is ook wel leuk om daar liedje over te maken. Ja, hoe ziet hij eruit? Dat is zijn muts en zijn haren. Ik had ooit eens een levensgrote pop gemaakt, maar die rubber die is helemaal vergaan. Dus ik zal zelf Leprechaun moeten spelen. Goed. Oh, wow. Little Leprechaun.
Mooi elfje.
Dankjewel. Ja, normaal hebben die een rood ringbaardje, maar ik heb vanmorgen mijn baard afgeschoren en die was grijs. Dus, Little Leprechaun. Baby, since you're gone, I'm in love with a little leprechaun. Little leprechaun. Since the day you've been gone. I call thee my summer's day. I found 1,000 ships to get away, and in compassion with the fire out, as the sun breaks through the darkest cloud. My mistress was a monster, is in love. The spider raven's heart within a dove. They couldn't find the heart within the beast. Say that the word and the bee is praised. Baby, since you're gone, I'm in love with a little leprechaun. Little leprechaun. Since the day you've been gone. Now's the winter over discontent. You shall you feel the love, but not the friend. Trees that grow and plants that spring. The fiery expedition, be my wing. Roses and thorns and silver fountains mud. The mind is all as useful as your blood. A thunder on the clouds, autumn crack. And heard a mermaid on the dolphin's back. Baby, since you're gone, I'm in love with a little leprechaun. Little leprechaun. Since the day you've been gone. I see don't make any sense. The writer is poetic and he expands. Midsummer Night Dream, Macbeth or King Lear. Most lines he borrowed from Shakespeare. Baby, since you're gone, I'm in love with a little leprechaun. Little leprechaun. Since the day you've been gone. Baby, since you're gone, I'm in love with a little leprechaun. Little leprechaun. Since the day you've been gone. Since the day you've been gone. You've been gone. You've been gone. Gone. Ik moet nog even de band voorstellen. Ronnie Timmermans op de gitaar. Ben van Wijswit op de keyboards. En mijn naam is Maberi, maar als ik niet meer zing, dan heet ik Bernard Martens.